It was named Ghijwan,
This village was named Gishdwan,
and there was a big sheikh from the descendants of Imam Malik rahmatullah alayhi.
There was a big sheikh from the descendants of Sayyidina Malik,
Imam Malik.
Imam Malik,
Yeah.
rahmatullah alayh.
He was murid of Khaja Abu Yusuf Hamadani rahmatullah alayhi.
He was the murid of Sheikh Abu Yusuf Hamdani, rahmatullah alayh.
He spent his lifetime here in this village,
He spent his lifetime here in this village,
and he was one of the very big mashayikh of our silsila.
and he is one of the big mashayikh of our Salasila.
In his life, he met Khizr alayhi salam many times, hundreds of times.
Khizr alayhi salam, he met many times.
In his life, he met Hazrat Isa Hidir alayhi salam many times.
And Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam told him a lesson, which is our 9th lesson, 8th lesson in silsila. Out of 35 lessons, the 8th lesson was designed by Sheikh Abdul Khalid.
In our Salasila, the 8th lesson is designed by Haja Khalid Wijdawani, taught by Hazrat Hidir alayhi salam.
And our mashayikh say that this is the cream of the whole silsila. This book,
Then this is the cream of our Salasila, according to our Mashayikh.
yeah. Khaja Abu Khalid Ghizwani rahmatullah alayh, he said that if a fly sitting on our body goes and sit down on the body of someone else, then on the day of judgment we will not feel rest until we make shafaat for him and he goes to the paradise.
Allah.